The supreme controller, Ishvara Parama Krishna. Krishna is the supreme controller. There is no controller of Krishna. Krishna, the supreme Lord, Govindam Adi Purusham. He is the original person. So who can be his father and mother? He is the father of everyone, the supreme father. Sarvajonishu Kaunteya Sambhavanti Murtaya. Krishna says, in all species of life, as many forms are there, I am the seed-giving father of all of them. So, nobody can be Krishna's father. Nobody can be controller of Krishna. Nobody can be master of Krishna. Krishna is the supreme. Matta Paratarang Nanda. Nobody is superior than me. But he accepts inferior position out of love. If you love Krishna, the Mayavadi philosophers, they are very much eager to become one with Krishna, merge into the existence of Krishna. That is their perfection. And Vaishnava philosophy is, what is there? Becoming one with Krishna. We want to become father of Krishna.